Hey, hello everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well in your studies. I have received so many comments that how to give sectional timing for each section of SIC MTS mains examination. So that's why I make this video. I hope guys this video will be helpful to you, and please watch this video till end. Otherwise this video will not be fruitful to you. Okay. So if I talk about the reasoning section, so there is some kind of questions we all know that come, like miscellaneous questions, puzzles, sitting arrangement kind of question, right? So according to me, in mains mock test, I try to attempt reasoning section first, okay? And for that purpose I first solve syllogism, directions, blood relations, coding, decoding, pair detection, word formation, odd one out, and inequality questions. And if you were so good, then you try to solve puzzles and sitting arrangement. But in case of SIC MTS examination, what I feel that the pattern and the examination level of reasoning and any kind of sections is not so moderate. It's easy. So you may attain puzzles and sitting arrangement first. Next you can solve this kind of miscellaneous questions. That means whatever they give in your question, that type you can attempt them accordingly. Like they give first 5 questions from puzzles, you attempt. Next 5 questions from coding, decoding, you attempt. Whatever they give in your questions, you attempt them accordingly. That's why I'm telling. And if you are not so good in puzzles and sitting arrangement, you may attempt them later. First you try to attempt miscellaneous questions, then you see within 30 minutes you can easily complete the whole sections properly and attempt 50 questions out of 50, because we all know that the cutoff would be high, and we have to attempt more questions in this exam. So if I talk about how much puzzles they ask, I think in 20 or 25 questions come from these puzzles, and most of the puzzles question come from this kind of puzzles like circular based, square table or rectangular table based, floor based, order ranking based puzzles. Okay, I think don't any innovative kind of questions we don't expect in this SIC MTS examination, and I don't see any kind of new questions in SIC UTC mains also. That's why I tell because of SIC MTS examination is little bit lower than SIC UTC, so that's why I feel they don't give any kind of innovative questions. Okay, so that's the portion of reasoning. And next if I talk about the maths portion, then I say when I attempt maths in sectional mock test or any kind of full mock test, what I prefer, attempt one-liner questions like simplification and approximation, missing number series or wrong number series, quadratic equations, that kind of questions first. Next I try to attempt DI. Okay, and last I attempt arithmetic or word problems based question. Okay, so according to me, I think 15 to 20 questions they ask from this one linear questions. Next DI can be asked 15 questions from there. I mean 3 DI may they ask, like table based DI, pie chart based DI, bar graph based DI, and Caslett DI. Okay, so that kind of DI I think they ask. And if I talk about the word problems or arithmetic questions, what I attempt, like age based question, profit and loss based question, SICI based question, which part is strong for me, I will attempt them first. What I feel, if I attempt my strong portion questions, I can easily solve the whole 50 questions very quickly. That's why I prefer it. Okay, if you are very good in any kind of arithmetic topic based question, then you attempt first and try to attempt rest of the questions later of that question. Okay, so that's the portion of maths. And if I talk about the English language portion, so I first solve fillers, error detection, parajumble, sentence rearrangement, word swapping, word usage, close test based question. Okay. And in Esic UDC mains also I see they don't ask so many high level questions from English. I think the question of English will be easy to moderate. And yeah, if I talk about the RC portion, they ask RC from story type. It's not editorial types question, I mean economic based question, I feel so. And if you may attempt RC's question like synonym, fillers, antonym based question first with this fillers, error detection, I mean one linear question of English. After that you read all the RC, I mean get the overview of the RC they give. Next try to solve the RC's questions. I think they will ask questions from RC that would be direct question. So that's the portion of English. And if I talk about the GA portion, what you remember in your examination time, tick it there accurately. Don't do any guesswork there. If you do any guesswork, that time you see your marks have to be deducted. So that will not help you in your real examination. May you attempt low, but if your accuracy is 95% or 100% in GA, then you see whatever you score, that would be not low, right? Like you attempt 140 questions. So if I talk about the whole overview of this Esic MTS examination, if you attempt 140 questions and just 5 to 10 marks you wrong there, so the marks will be at around 130, right? So that's why I'm telling always, and I also prefer it to try to attempt accurately. But yeah, it's difficult. But why when I attempt mock test or sectional mock test, I always try to skip questions, because in Esic UDC mains also I see who can skip questions, they will attempt the whole questions, I mean attempt will be high and also maintain accuracy. So Esic MTS mains examination also you feel when you give, you see that you attempt questions accurately. And you can follow Affairs Cloud for GA, and it's really so useful, and I follow it on a daily basis and try to attempt quizzes. That's why I can try to remember this current affairs. Okay. And if I talk about the sequence, how to attempt the whole question paper, so it's according to me, I try to attempt reasoning section first, next maths, next English, and last GA. Because when you enter in your examination hall, that time your analytics portion, I mean analytical mind will be fresh. So according to me, you can perform well in your reasoning and maths portion. After that you can attempt English or GA. If you schedule, I mean you decide any kind another kind of sequence, so you can follow it. I think that will be useful to you, right? And I follow it, that's why I'm telling. Okay, you may follow it. And if I talk about how much time I am giving this each section of Esic MTS mains, then for reasoning section I give 30 minutes, and maths section I give 35 minutes, and English section I give 20 minutes or 25 minutes, and for GA it's 10 minutes, and rest of the time I try to revise the whole questions what I attempt. Okay, so that's how I prepared this 4 sections. What will be happened, I really don't know. When the result will come out, then we'll see that how much marks I've scored in Esic MTS prelims exam. Hope for the best. We expect that we all clear this examination. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep supporting me. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video in your friends. Okay, thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay safe.